Nearly 35 years ago, they killed their parents in their Beverly Hills mansion, claiming they were victims of sexual abuse. Today, Erik and Lyle Menendez have hope at being released from prison. A judge on Monday delayed until January his decision on whether to resentence the brothers. Joining us tonight is their attorney, Mark Garrigus. It's so great to see you, Mark. It's been an emotional week, I know, not just for family at Monday's hearing, but for fans of Lyle and Erik. How are they feeling? What's their mindset right now?
Well, I think that I've said it all, cautiously optimistic. They were able for the first time in over 20 years to watch a court proceeding yesterday from the prison where they are. They saw in that proceeding, as you're seeing right there, their Aunt Joan, who was Kitty's oldest sister, who's, as we tape this today, celebrating her 93rd birthday. And she, in a very emotional and touching testimony, said that she wants nothing more than to have them home. And it was very moving. Right next to her, standing between us, is Jose's oldest sister. So you literally have Kitty and Jose's older sisters standing side by side there. And they not only are physically next to each other, but emotionally, they're joined in asking for the release of Erik and Lyle.
Yeah, it's been a journey for their entire family. We know 2 new pieces of evidence included in your client's habeas corpus petition. They basically say their convictions are unconstitutional. So my question is what do you think it's going to come down to in whether the brothers' convictions are actually overturned?
Well, there's 2 separate proceedings right now. One is the habeas, and as we speak, the DA is just asked until next month to weigh in on the habeas. Also, what we had yesterday was the resentencing. Under the resentencing, it's pretty clear that they should be resentenced. First of all, the DA has initiated that, as you know. Also, yesterday, what happened is the judge invoked his own initiation as well under what's called AB 600. So both the DA and the judge have now said that they wish for them to be resentenced. Under the law, they are entitled to be resentenced. That's why we're going to have a hearing. And I'm hopeful that once they do that, that the judge will substitute a manslaughter for the murder conviction and that they'll get time served and be released.
Sounds like you're optimistic come January the judge will agree to release your clients, right? But do want to point out the resentencing does not mean Lyle or Erik will actually leave prison. What should we expect going forward?
Well, actually, the resentencing gives the judge all kinds of options. Yesterday, also, the DA filed a motion to strike or withdraw the special circumstance. That's the only thing that has prevented them from a parole hearing up until now. The judge could go the gamut from sentencing them to time served, theoretically be eligible for a parole hearing. The judge could also say, I'm going to substitute a voluntary manslaughter and I'm going to order that you be released immediately.
All right, Mark Garrigus, we'll be watching. We appreciate your time and your perspective. Thank you for joining us tonight on the National News Desk.
Thank you. Appreciate it.